Hello, my name is Scott, and this is a new series I've created to go through some of the common interview questions that you see. I also do a leak code series and a hacker rank series for basically questions that larger companies would ask, like Facebook or Google or Apple. But for most of us, there are standard questions that I've been asked throughout my 25 years of programming that I just have to basically whiteboard. I don't have a computer in front of me, I just have to write it on the whiteboard. And these are basically simple solutions that you should probably know. So the first one we're going to do is basically reversing a string. So basically set up a little console application here that has a main method that's calling this reverse a string. This is a string, so we're passing in the string value, this is a string. And so if you ever have to whiteboard this, it's very simple actually. So a string you convert to we'll call it a char array. So we're going to take this input in IntelliSense, AI taking over our jobs. So you basically convert this to a char array. And then you're going to reverse it. Char array. And then all you're going to do is return, create a new string, and pass in the char array. And that is all there is to it. So I'll run this, and the result is basically this is a string in reverse. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So let me know if you have questions or if you enjoy this series. I'll try to do one every day. And thanks so much for watching. Talk to you next time.